Recording.
Okay, so we are going to have a look at this question. A ball is thrown vertically downward from the top of a cliff. The distance s meters of the ball from the top of the cliff after t seconds is given by that. So the equation of the distance is given, which is s equals 3t plus 5t. 3t plus 5t squared. Find the rate at which the distance of the ball has traveled is increased. Find the rate at which the distance the ball has traveled is increasing when t is. So you need to find out the rate t when t is 0.6 seconds and when t is 54 seconds. No, when s is 54 seconds. Okay, now let's have a look at this one. Just going to stop here. Now the question is asking us to find. I'll just put this question on Moodle as well. So on Google Classroom, which say already. Now how we do this question? Now where s is the distance and t is the time. Now let's say you are actually, this is the ball, this is the cliff, let's say, and you are dropping the ball from the cliff all the way down. So the ball is going vertically down, and the ball is covering the distance. Now, the question is asking us to find out when t is 0.7, what is the rate the ball is traveling downward? The easy way to do that one is write down the equation, which is s equals 3t plus 5t squared. Now you will need to differentiate this equation. So you need to differentiate. I'm going to call this equation as equation 1. Just differentiate this equation. So you differentiate the equation with respect to t. So that side becomes a ds over dt, and you do d over dt on this side as well. 3t plus a 5t squared. When you differentiate this 3t, that just becomes just a 3. The 5t squared will become 5 is already here, 2 comes out, so that becomes a 10, 5 comes to 10, and then a t. So that is your ds over dt. Now, we need to find out the rate is covering the distance when t is 0.6. Now you apply the limits here. You want to find not limits, you want to find that value when t is 0.6 seconds. So when t is 0.6 seconds, you put that in this equation. So you write ds over dt when t is 0.6. Just put that one. 3 plus 10 times 0.6. So the answer is going to be, if I write on this side, the answer is going to be ds over dt when t is 0.6. It's going to be 3 plus 6, which is 9. So it's going to be 9 meters per second, because that is meters per second. So it's covering 9 meters per second. Distance covering is 9 meters per second. Okay, and I did. Now we need to find the rate the ball is actually moving when s is 54, and let's assume that's meters, the unit are in meters. So how we are going to do that one? We find out like when the ball has traveled 54 meters. To do that one, you need to write this equation down. S equals 3t plus a 5t square. Instead of s, you will put 54. So 54 equals 3t plus a 5t square. Make one side 0. So move the 54 on the other side. So 0 equals to minus 54 plus a 3t plus a 5t square. Or I can write this equation as that. 5t square plus a 3t minus 54 equals 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now we need to solve the quadratic equation, and we need to find out the time t when this ball has covered 54 meters, distance of 54 meters. So the best thing to do that one is use either quadratic formula, use your calculator, use a quadratic formula and get the answer. Okay, I'm just going to do straight away. Well, 5 times that's not gonna work. Let me just get the factors and I just put the answer straight in. I use a quadratic equation and I got the value t as 3 seconds and t is minus 3.6. Obviously, minus 3.6 seconds will not work. Yep. So I will show you later how you can actually use a calculator. I'll put a video online how you can use a calculator to actually work out the quadratic equations using a calculator or the quadratic formula. So I'm going to take t as 3 seconds. Now I got the value for t as 3 seconds. Now I need to find the rate at which it's covering the distance when t is 3 seconds. So I will use this formula, this differentiation, which I already done. So back to this equation, ds over dt, this is distance, this is time, is equal 3 plus a 10t. Now here, now when t is 3 seconds, I need to put that one here. So ds over dt when t is 3. So I just put that one, 3 plus 10 times 3. So that will be 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 meters per second. So this is the rate. It will travel distance, 33 meters per second. That's how it works. Okay.